What's up guys, Smart. The Best Miter Saws is an alternative that performs similarly to the Best Miter Saws, but that you can transport while working to make rapid, precise cuts when needed. We examined the Best Miter Saws to see how well they function and how safe they are for deers, because they are still rather new, having entered the market only a decade or two ago. There are many products available to choose from the Best Miter Saws, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best miter saws from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price Number 5. Inch Single Bevel Compound Miter Saw DWS 715. The dual 12-inch single bevel compound miter saw DWS 715 emerges as a sturdy and efficient choice for those who require precision and potency in their cutting tasks. Its ease of calibration and user-friendly blade change mechanism are highlighted, alongside its 14 miter stops for versatile cutting angles. The saw's compact design is an additional perk, particularly beneficial for space-conscious workshops or job sites. Thanks to its effective dust collection system and build quality, this saw is tailored for professionals and enthusiasts who prioritize accuracy and a clean workspace. It's particularly suitable for users handling standard lumber sizes and looking for a tool that maintains calibration over time for consistent accuracy. However, the DWS 715 does have its limitations, primarily its modest cut capacity. Due to the absence of a sliding rail, the absence of a cut line indicator could also be a drawback, which can reduce the accuracy of beveled cuts. If these constraints are deal breakers, the dual DWS 780 12-inch double bevel sliding compound offers enhanced cut capacity and similar precision. The positive side of this product: easy adjustments, easy blade change, well made. The negative side of this product: reduced horizontal cut capacity, no positive bevel. Number 4. Max 7 1/4-inch Single Bevel Sliding Compound DCS 361B. The dual 20V Max 7 1/4-inch Single Bevel Sliding Compound DCS 361B is a user-friendly, battery-operated tool that is highly appreciated for its efficient dust collection system. It offers simple calibration and shadow cut indicators for easy alignment of cuts. However, despite its robustness among battery-operated models, its cut capacity stands below average and lacks a blade depth lock, making dado cuts more challenging. Nevertheless, this saw proves to be a good option suited for house projects and those valuing portability or footprint and ease of use over raw cutting power. Tools that need a lot of tuning or tricky features like blade depth lock can slow down your work. Our crew conducted tests in the lab to help you get a clearer idea of how each tool works. We looked closely at this saw's features, such as the calibration process, miter angle adjustments, and how to change the blade. The dual 20V Max 7 1/4-inch offers easy calibration and blade change, while supporting easier cuts with a shadow cut indicator. From the operation of its tri-claw knob, which allows one to tilt the device easily, to its simple grip knob that lends good control over the machine, this model stands out in terms of functionality. It is still a very easy to use tool despite the release being at the back and not as conveniently placed at the front as some other models. It lock, which makes cutting dado joints more challenging. The positive side of this product: powerful, productive dust collection. The negative side of this product: small cross-cut capacity, no blade depth. Number 3. Dual Bevel Sliding Compound MS630500. The Skil 10-inch Dual Bevel Sliding Compound MS630500 is a budget-friendly, easy-to-use miter saw with remarkable cutting capabilities. Despite its less ideal dust collection, it boasts an exceptional cutting range, easily handling cross cuts through 2x12 lumber and 45-degree miter cuts on 2x8, making it an ideal choice for home deers. Its user-friendly features adjustable miter angle, straightforward blade changing process, and shadow lead cut line enhance the user experience. The exception to this is the slightly more time-consuming blade depth lock. This saw doesn't shy away regarding power and speed, delivering notable cuts across different materials. It's recommended for budget-conscious deers seeking powerful and expansive cut capacity. The Skil 10-inch Dual Bevel Sliding Compound MS630500 has remarkable cutting capabilities for a medium price point. With its ability to execute cross cuts through a 2x12 lumber and a 45-degree miter cut on a 2x8, this saw should meet and exceed the requirements of most home deers. Its excellent cutting range and competitive price point make this model an intelligent choice for cost-conscious tool enthusiasts who can accept its less-than-perfect dust collection capabilities. Tools requiring excessive calibration or challenging-to-use features like the blade depth lock can slow down your project. To help you understand the usability of each tool, our team hit the lab. Our examination highlighted the detailed features of the saw, including the miter lock override, miter angle adjustments, and blade changing process. The Skil MS6300500 generally provides a standard user experience, but has straightforward features like simple miter angle adjustments and a miter lock detent override. The positive side of this product: fast cutting, adjustable table extensions, miter lock override. The negative side of this product: poor dust collection, challenging blade depth lock. Number 2. Double Bevel Sliding Compound DWS780. The dual 12-inch double-level sliding compound DWS780 stands out for its cutting power, ease of use, and high cut capacity, making it ideal for professionals and ambitious D enthusiasts. Key highlights include an easy-to-use miter adjustment system, an efficient blade changing system, and an improved blade depth lock. However, it has a large and heavy footprint, which might be challenging for those with limited storage. The dust collection system provides average performance, but using a medium power vacuum improves it effectively. Its high power and large cut capacity make it perfect for those with ample storage or dedicated workshop spaces. The dual 12-inch double bevel sliding compound DWS780 is a highly capable and user-friendly saw, thanks to its impressive cutting power, capacity, and simple design features. It can efficiently tackle any miter-appropriate project and is an excellent option for professionals and D enthusiasts with ambitious project goals. The saw has an easy calibration process and is fully adjustable. Its miter adjustment system was a favorite within our test team because of its easy-to-use handle, override system, and ergonomics. Lift the handle and freely move to your desired miter angle without any intermittent stops. The tools offer 10 positive stops up to 45 degrees on the left miter and 60 degrees on the right. The saw features a simple tri-claw knob to adjust the bevel and clear numerical markings. The bevel has 9 positive stops up to 49 degrees on both sides. This model features one of our favorite blade changing systems. The blade change process is relatively quick, and the blade guard is securely out of your way. The positive side of this product: easy adjustments, well built, easy blade change. The negative side of this product: large footprint, dust collection curtains may close with strong vacuums. Number 1. Bosch 18V Cordless 12-inch Miter Saw. We've used a lot of miter saws over the years, and Bosch's 12-inch axial glide model has been one of our favorites. When we saw the Bosch Profactor 18V Cordless Miter Saw brought that axial design to their high-performance 18V line, we were more than a little excited. The two big performance characteristics we look for when we're testing any cordless miter saw are how strong and accurate it is. While our pros primarily treat miter saws, even 12-inch models, as trim saws, the reality is we do some framing cuts too. If the saw can cut 4x, we'd like to know if it has the muscle to do it. Between Bosch Biturbo brushless motor and the 8.0 Ah CORE 18V Profactor battery, there is an impressive amount of power for cutting even 4x4 if you need to. Unlike most miter saws, Bosch gives you some power options to help you get more of the battery. There are 4 speed settings to cycle through, including an eco mode. We were able to cut through everything we tested using the eco mode, but some wisdom comes into play. Softwoods such as pine and fir are one thing. Just keep that speed up to get the best cuts in your hardwoods. Here are the no-load speeds. Aside from the smooth action of the axial glide design, Bosch also does a nice job maximizing the cutting capacity of its 12-inch blade and supports it with a 4 3/4 inch tall fence. For the base against the back fence, you can cut up to 7 1/4 inches tall. With a 45 degrees nested crown, that capacity is 6 inches. The sliding action gives you up to 15 inches of cross-cutting. The positive side of this product is smooth, accurate axial glide arms, front-mounted bevel lock, excellent cutting power. The negative side of this product: the motor isn't as smooth as a direct drive. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.